Anong percentage po ng winning ratio nyo? Okay, let's answer this. So, she is asking ilan yung winning trades ko versus my losing trades, kung ano yung ratio nun and percentage nun. So, I'll show you yung beauty ng copy trading. There are traders kasi who are not a fan of copy trading. They don't like the idea na nangungopia ka ng strategies ng iba. But in my case kasi, there are people who are not really good in trading, just like me, na kahit anong aral ko, trading po is perfect for those people who do not have time to watch, who are busy with their life, they don't have the luxury of time na mag-execute ng orders, antayin kung kailan yung right timing, on kung kailan bibili or mag-sell. So the beauty of our copy trading, you will be able to see yung winning ratio natin. So let's check this FX Boxer, which is currently nasa 75.11% na siya. So imagine, kung nagsumabay ka kay FX Boxer and nag-start ka kung kailan siya nag-start mag-copy trade, ibig sabihin malapit ka na mag-ROI. Or, kung meron ka 100 USD, kumita na siya ng 75.11 USD. So, malapit mo nang mabalik sa'yo yung 100 USD and malapit ka nang maging risk-free. So, here you will see kung ilan yung mga naka-copy sa dito sa kay FX Boxer and kung magkano yung managed asset or magkano yung mga total amount ng mga naka-copy trade. So, currently, merong 5,600 USD na mga naka-copy kay FX Boxer. So, dito makikita nga naman din sa tab na to yung profitability since nag-start siya. So, since nag-start siya nung June, ayan, as you can see, ito. Wait, ito ako sa kabila. As you can see, ayan, 18.0% siya nung June 2023. So, kung nag-start ka ng June 2023, nung June, kumita ka na ng 18%, which is this one. And nung July 2023, kumita naman siya ng 22%. O, di ba, napakaganda ng profitability. Kasi hindi nyo naman kikitain yan sa bangko, hindi nyo yan kikitain anywhere na mga investment, even nga sa stocks, di naman ganyan kabilis ang return. So, kung naglagay kayo dyan ng 1,000 USD, meaning kumita na kayo dyan ng 180 USD. So, that is roughly around magkano na rin, nasa 10,000? Diba? So, in total, ito, July 2023, meron 22%, kung August, itong August lang, hindi pa tapos yung August, pero naka 21.9% na po si FX Boxer. So meaning, ang ganda ng kanyang profitability. So let's check naman yung kanyang risk. So i-click nyo lang to, ayan, itong risk, and then lalabas naman yung risk level niya. So nito, ayan, itong June 2023, meaning 6 out of 10 yung kanyang risk. Ayan. So bumaba naman siya, nung July 2023, naging 5 out of 10, yung August, naging 5 out of 10. So, moderate risk lang siya. From low to moderate risk lang siya. Kasi kung high risk yan, nasa around mga 7 to 10 na po yan. And dito nga naman makikita nga po yung winning ratio. So, ito po, ang tinatrade po ni FX Boxer is Euro-USD with 183 trades. So, ang kanyang winning ratio is 80.3%. So, meaning, out of 183 trades, ayan, 80.3% po dyan ang winning trades. So, mas lamang talaga yung mga winning trades compared dun sa mga losing trades. Yes, merong losing trades, pero onti lang. Nasa around 19% lang, 19.7%. So, napakaganda ng platform. Makikita nyo talaga yung bawat trader, kung ano talaga yung actual performance nila. Kasi mag-a-appear doon kung hindi okay yung performance, kung masyado maraming losses compared sa mga winning trades, kung wala bang risk management yung trader na yun. So, dito sa copy trading, ma-assess nyo kung sino yung talagang best na kopyahan. Kung baga sa eskwelahan, bakit nyo kokopyahin yung laging bokya yung score? So, siyempre, dito ang kokopyahin nyo is yung mga top 1, yung mga valedictorian, yung mga talagang alam mo may ibubuga sa mga exams. Kasi yung kokopyahin yung Sergeant of Arms, tsaka yung Muse, tsaka yung escort. So, if you want to know more about this copy trading, I have free Forex webinar tonight at 7 p.m. So, today yan, Tuesday. So, I hope maka-join kayo. I'll put the sign-up link in the comment section para maka-join na kayo tonight. Para of course, sabay-sabay tayo matuto ng copy trading dito sa Forex. Kasi alam nyo guys, napakaganda talaga itong passive income. So, if you are looking for investments na magandang gawing passive income, perfect po talaga itong Forex trading.